Welcome on my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Before start today video, I request to all of viewers to please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's come to our today video.
Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Today I am talking about email marketing automation software. So friend, you can now subscribe and press the bell icon. Mm, I am going to Chrome. So email marketing software, email marketing 2023. So you can grow an audience. So best email marketing tools in top 5 just of the friend, top 5 best email marketing software. So this is Brace Howard and Rich. So in this article we will compare and review 5 of the best email marketing software for 2023. We will look at their features, pricing, pros and cons, and my own take on these tools. So best overall mail or letter, best over email marketing tool from personal use. It is easy to use and very budget friendly. So this website, first website, this is a review and read review. So go to the site. This is best overall in simplicity, AC of use and budget free, $130.50 per month. Special offer, get 3 days for free trial if you use my link. So this is one website, one website, and go to the two and website. Best of creators, convert KT. So designed of creators how want to grow their audience. Go to the site, and third site, best of our budget. Get response. Other offers offer the best value for money for email marketing. So this review check again. So has the most future and functionally for email marketing. This is fourth website. So last website, five website, best for simplicity. So benchmark email, this tool offers the simplest and most friendly inference. So do you know that the first email was sent in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson, a computer engineer who invented the symbol. So this website, whether you are building a new newsletter, a sales funnel, or a personal brand, let's pick the best platform and save time. So what are the best email marketing software? So you can mail your letter, convert KT, get response. This five website is very best and very interested website email marketing. So compare top email marketing software, top 5 comparison. What is the email marketing software? Why do you need email marketing software? How do you choose the best email marketing software? 5 things to consider content. So to grow your online business, you need a good email marketing strategy. Email marketing lets you connect with your audience, promote your brand, and increase sales. Some of the best email marketing services are MailerLite, Light, Convert KT, and Get Response. So it's easy to go get started with these tools, and if you find great value depending on your need and the tool. So first is MailerLite. This is 5 sign up and sorry, this website is sign up and get started. So this is watch camp demo. So digital marketing tools to grow your audience faster and drive revenue. Semester backed by 24/7 award winning support. This website is very interested, is personally use MailerLite for my business, and it is the best overall choice. It is simple, budget friendly, and has 90% of the features you need for email marketing. This website and two and website, check this, convert KT. Do two and website is gonna start your free trial, and this is the most popular and most need your helps and need your friendly budget. This website send welcome to email, second email, subscribe to read reads from setup was a breeze. When I tried this tool out, it took me through a clean setup by setup process and never felt overwhelmed. It has great tools for content creators. So this website is 3, 4 and 5. This website 5 website is this website is top 5 best email marketing. So you can go check this website, and you like I hope you like this video, and I am going in next video. So Allah Hafiz.
Thanks for watching video, but before to go, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.